I had to get a video of this. I was testing an OEM pump, and it was holding pressure fine, around 80 psi, something like that. And all of a sudden, it started oscillating. I'm going to try bringing the pressure down. Doesn't seem to do much for it. Do the old. There we go. You ever heard of the thing where people say, hit on your fuel pump with a hammer and it'll start working? That would be an example of that. This pump here has about 150,000 miles on it, 160,000 miles on it. I bought it off of one of the forum members for help us with these tests. And a great example of a pump that's at end of life. It was actually showing some pretty respectable numbers up until the time where it was failing. That would be an example of you not being able to start your car in the morning. Having to open up the back seat, and take out your hammer, and whack the pump a few times, wait for it to kick over, and then it starts working. I'll just try a few shots with it turned off. Start your car up. Turn it off. Start your car up. Back and forth a few times, and it's working actually pretty well. But you saw a few minutes ago where it wasn't working so well. So that would be an example of a bad fuel pump intermittent problem. Thank you very much.